Hey everybody, what is going on? So if you are wanting to set up a custom subdomain on your system.io account, you are going to want to watch this before you jump in and do this, especially if you're setting this up on GoDaddy. Just a couple of little things to kind of keep in mind. So let's jump over. We'll do this quick video and show you exactly how to set up a subdomain on your system.io account. Okay, so once you get into your system.io dashboard, you're just going to go up to your username up here at the very top right hand corner. You're going to click on settings. Once in settings, you're going to go down here to your custom domains. All right, in this case, let's just say again, we have your custom domain, mydomain.com, is set up at WordPress. That's okay. You could still have courses.mydomain.com set up here at system.io. Having your custom domain located somewhere else like WordPress or Go High Level or Kajabi, but you still have features over in system.io do you want to use, that's not a problem. You can keep your original domain where it's at, and then you can set up your either workshops.mydomain.com or courses.mydomain.com or whatever you want to set up over on the system. You can do that. All you would do is you go up here to add domain, top right hand corner, click on add domain, and then you would just say something like courses.mydomain.com, right? Here's the DNS configuration that pops up that you're now going to take and configure the DNS settings over on GoDaddy. So let's pop over there now and log in, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Top right hand corner over here, once you're logged in your GoDaddy is your name. You want to drop that, to use the drop down, and I would do my products. Once in, I would go ahead and just click on the DNS option right here, and that's going to open up your DNS settings. Once you have that opened, you're going to want to go up here to add a new record. You're going to go and use this drop down for type and do CNAME. And then here where it says name, you go back here and you're only going to grab this first part here. Okay. And you don't grab the period after it. Just grab the very first part, courses or workshop or masterclass, whatever, pop that in. Then this example here, you're going to grab everything that's right here. Okay, you're going to go and you're going to grab that whole section all the way up there, but you do not grab the period at the end. Copy that and then pop it in. Now in this case, what I would do is I would do more records just so that you don't have to, because when you do save, it's going to want to email you. GoDaddy likes to email you a verification code that you're going to have to enter to say, yeah, I'm making these DNS changes here. Here's the code that it emails you and yada, yada, yada. So the next thing you want to do is go back over, and here's the little gotcha. You need to get, if it's just the domain that you were setting up, you would only have an option right in front of my domain. In this case, you want everything, including this gobbledygook here, all the way up to my domain, all the way up to the period right before my domain. So you're going to grab that, and again, we're going to do a CNAME. We're going to pop that in, so we've got everything all the way up to that period, okay? And then once again, we're going to grab this whole thing all the way up to just before the period. Copy that. We're going to pop that in. At this point, you're going to click on Save Records. Again, it's going to give you a prompt to email you the verification code. You say yes. It's almost instantaneous. You pop the code in, and then usually if everything's working properly, it'll take about 10, 15 minutes. It probably won't even take that long, and then you should see it working. Now, how do you know it's working? When you go and pop it in, if you don't have anything set up yet, you're going to get an error page, but it'll be an error page for system.io. All right, so it's going to actually show an error page saying, hey, this site's not set up yet. Let me show you here what I'm talking about. Okay, pop this over. You'll know it's working when you get this. It's an error page saying, hey, that's not set up, because we haven't set anything up in system.io yet. But this is exactly what we're going to want to expect. If you don't get this, then something's not working yet. But when you get this, it's definitely, it now knows that, hey, your settings over here in system.io are set up, and it's giving you an error page that's leading you to system.io. So that's a good thing. That's it. That's how you would set up your subdomain on system.io. Just a couple little gotchas. Just make sure that number one, you're aware that's going to be emailing you. Number two, that you get everything all the way up to the actual my domain, all the way up to the period right before the my domain. Okay, the my domain part you do not need. Everything else you do. And then as far as the value, it's everything other than the period at the end. The other thing to kind of keep in mind is if you do run into issues, you can reach out to GoDaddy support. And what I'm really want you to know though is that you need to be patient. GoDaddy support's not very good. I'm not happy with GoDaddy support at all. Every time I go there to get help, it takes an enormous amount of patience, and a lot of times there's going to be a lot of back and forth. They're known to say, hey, you need to go and get support from system. They're the ones that can help you with this, which is not the case. This is all being done on GoDaddy's side. So just keep that in mind if you have to reach out to GoDaddy support, to be extremely patient and also be persistent, because they might want to blow you off, and you might actually have to just close the chat down and go and start a new chat and get maybe another support rep who knows a little bit more. So just keep that in mind. But that's it for setting up your subdomain on system.io. And if you are liking these videos, we do have a whole section of videos in our system.io playlist. That's it for now, everybody. Have an awesome day.